Hello everybody, market overview and portfolio breakdown. Happy to be back. We got quite a lot to talk about. I'm going to try to make it quick and cover everything in a relatively short period of time. So let's go ahead. Euro dollar was the main video today in the forex section. Check that out. I will say a few words though. We've been saved by 106.89 a couple of days ago. Price action went straight back to that level, but again that level held and it's back on the upside again. So not much to say about this position. We're still where we were. I kept the position as is for now. We're expecting a breakthrough of 107.51 probably in the next 24 hours, and then we'll get more aggressive here. This is the last position, the last addition to our positioning in the market, Euro Swiss franc. Beautiful situation. We love this one because it dropped hard straight to 0.9571. Take a look at that pullback right off that level, suggesting price action is finishing a technical correction. And just to remind you, it didn't hit 99.34 last month. It got very, very close, but check it out. Technically, highest highs was 99.28. Missed it by 6 pips. Same here, it was 99.29, so 5 pips. Incredible. I believe it's going to come back to finish up the job. It will solidify that touchdown, but it just had a nasty technical correction in the middle. So yeah, we're jumping in here. Seems to be a prime location to pick it up. Euro Swiss franc, new position, targeting 99.34. Stop loss step with 94.50. Canadian Swiss franc, that's the last position we got in, which was before the weekend, before the Euro Swiss, which was today. The last one was Canadian Swiss franc. Pull the trigger, and you can see it's starting to advance a little bit. We got the target here is 66.72, not too far ahead, but we also have a testing ground at 65.57, 65.72. So we'll see how it goes. Still fresh, still new, still small position. A heavy position that we have is a pound versus Canadian. Right, we talked a lot about this position, the way it broke below, but the way it got rejected off of 75.59. Let's start with that. Right, we called out that rejection. That's where we started to chase that pound Canadian downwards. Then the break below 74.47 was the trigger. We got in, and then we fired off the second one, and then we fired off the third one. We're getting more aggressive on this one, and it keeps moving south. We're going to take some profit off the table at 72.31, but our final destination primary target is actually 69.90. So looking forward to this. These are the 4 active positions we have in the forex front. Let's talk about the cryptocurrency market. Probably as interesting, if not more, I would say, if not more, because we've had tons of success here on the way down with multiple positions. We took the Ripple to 46.77, knocked it off. We took the Solana to 126.47 to the T, knocked it off. We took the Polkadot to a trip to 618 and knocked off that target as well. We took the Litecoin to 75, knocked off this one as well. Took the Dogecoin to 1387, and we knocked off this one as well. Yeah, quite a bit. We were very successful on the way down. Now it's time to turn around. All right, so we're flipping over massively across the board with 4 active positions right off the bat. That's quite an aggressive flip over. Cardano is the first one. Yeah, you can see why. The 37.11 is going to hold, I believe, and even the 39.21 going to send price action back up for an upside reversal and a new bullish cycle. We got multiple targets here. Short-term targets 42.85, medium-term target 49.30, and long-term target 62.41. Dogecoin is the second one we pulled the trigger on. The massive support level of 12 is kicking in. 0.12, that is. We feel like it's going to turn around at this point and start marching towards 1387, later 1596, and then finally 1869. Stay tuned. Litecoin also trading in very low levels. I believe it's going to find bottom here. Pulling the trigger on the first trade here, in the first, establishing that bullish campaign. Targets in sight, 74.98. But most and foremost, 84.30. Alright? Last but not least, Polkadot. After having so much success on the downside here, time to flip over. Pulling the trigger on this one. Short-term target's going to be 618 is not going to be a target. Yeah, it is a target. I guess we're going to take some profit off the table, but it's mainly a testing level. The real target is going to be 714.60. All right, 714.60. Keep that in mind. That's the medium-term profit target. And we have a long-term target, which is 872. So, yeah, a lot to look forward as far as the crypto front is going. All right, that's about that for the day today. Hope you enjoyed the rest of it. We're going to be back tomorrow as usual. So, till then, be well.